guys, it's Wolfie9272, also AJ Lover, and today I'm making a video to help my friend, which is Chewyrabbit. So the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna go to any search engine. I'm using Mozilla Firefox because that's the one I use. Okay, and then I'm gonna search Animal Jam. And yeah, my computer's laggy, as you know, because I keep saying that because it is. And when you get onto the when you get onto Animal Jam, you're gonna click Parents, and you're gonna click Activate your account if you don't have like the email address and the password for it. So I go to do Dog Cookie Monster 9. I always do that. So just go to your email, and then I'm going to search wait. Okay, wait. Okay, I need to log out and go to my sister's account. No! No, I don't want to do this. Come on. Okay, so, to make things simpler, you just go to your email account. Come on. Okay, continue to Google Plus. And then, where is it? You just go to your email. Where is it? Sorry. Gmail. That's what I was looking for. Gmail. And then just wait until it pops up. Oh my god. I hate when it does that. This is like alright, well, I found out about it. Here, I'll show you what she wrote. Dear AJ Lover, we are very sorry to diagnose you with Ebola. Please visit us as soon as possible to get you checked up. Our address, 12345 Ebola Road. Questions, call us at 123456789. And we'll be right there. Remember, we are open 24/7. Your local pharmacy center, Ebola time. The thing is, oops. Oh well. No. Oh, good. Oh, God. Crap. Which one is it? It's, this one. Okay, there it is. Finally, I found it. Oh crap. Wait, what? What the heck? What is this? Amigo 676. What the heck? Okay, that's just weird. But anyway, go to your email, click that, choose your password. I'm just gonna no, I'm going to make it something easy to remember. And of course, I'm not gonna tell you. I think it's the same as her password. Oh, wait, I did something. Yeah, I did something wrong down here. There, okay. Okay. Okay, so this is like the username and stuff. And you just wait. Okay. So let me go to. So that's how you activate your account, and then you just click parents, and then you log in. I'm gonna be right back because I don't want you to see this one. Okay, as you can see, we have a lot of accounts here. So, let's just say it was at restricted chat. Then you click save chat, and then you click that, and then that's how you get free chat. If you did, wait, Jesus. Okay. Anyway, restricted chat, like that. So yeah, it's like that. So yeah, you just click save. I don't know. I don't really know if. I don't really know if it works now, but maybe it will. So yeah. Well, anyway, well, I guess you could see it now, but, I want to see if this code works. I don't think it does, because I tried it before, it doesn't work. So it's probably, I know it's not gonna work. Okay. Oh, oh, right, she was already off. Oh, I need to search someone. Anyway, let me just dance here. Okay. Wait, what? Fuzzy the tiger. Oh, okay. Okay, I'm just checking. Chester Do, Fuzzy Village Gamer. Oh yeah, sorry for the weird video. Like, that was really weird. I did not mean to do that. Sorry. Sorry, Chester Do. I don't know what to do. Anyway, hopefully this is helpful for you. If it doesn't work, then oh well. That sucks. And yeah, too bad AJ like made it so you have to call them or something. Maybe there's 2 ways, but I'm not sure. Wait. Okay. Oh yeah, candy cane houses are here. Sorry. I'm sorry, I meant, candy cane houses. I meant gingerbread houses. Oh, of course they got rid of it. Well, anyway, I'm gonna go into that den. And previews are awesome because you still have them, and you could be like, oh my god, I just like bought a gingerbread house. Like, see, I bought one. Wait, what the? No. See, look, I bought one. And you could still go in here, which is awesome. Hold on, I'm gonna get really dirty. There. Perfect. It's pretty small though. Oh god, no. 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 I'm still muddy. Ow. Ow, ow. Okay, well, anyway, thanks for watching, and there you go, Chewyrabbit. Hopefully this works for you, but it might not because, AJ, did this stuff. Well, I didn't mean to say that. AJ updated it. Wait, what do I have? Oh. And yeah, guys. Hopefully this works, Chewyrabbit, again. Okay. Yeah. Bye, guys. See you all later.